Hello, my name is Dennis Abreu, coordinator of Genius Robotics. I'm also a mechanical engineering student at the Namibian University of Science and Technology. And Genius Robotics started as a high school team of 5 students that had the opportunity to represent their country internationally at the Robotics Challenge. And coming back, we saw that more students need to have this opportunity. So as I said, Genius Robotics started at Delta, where we formed a small club of 5 students. These 5 students then had the opportunity to represent Namibia in Washington, D.C. This was in 2017. Same in 2018, 5 students went to Mexico. 2019, I had the opportunity to be part of the team that went to Dubai. And when I came back, I saw that it would be too selfish of me not to give other students this opportunity because it was the experience of a lifetime. So having said that, we then started Genius Robotics as an opportunity to venture into fundraising to make it easier for students following up after us to get sponsorships. Initially, Genius Robotics started only as a fundraising campaign, but then it ventured into a company where we formed multiple successful partnerships, ventured into STEM, as well as ventured into more than just robotics. It's become a, so to say, community-driven project where we help many students accomplish, I would say, their dreams. I was recently shared a testimony with one of our students that always had the dream of getting national colors. And because of his participation at Genius Robotics, he finally had the opportunity to get that.
Hello, my name is Sigridus Amwaalwa. I am a software engineering student at the Namibian University of Science and Technology. And I am also part of Genius Robotics Club. So I deal with the programming aspect in Genius Robotics. So working with programming the robots and teaching the kids various programming languages and creating websites, etc. Right. So SALT and WCE have been a major part in building and collaboration with Genius Robotics. In terms of financial support and social impact, they have been contributing a copious amount of resources for Genius Robotics, and that has been a major help with our journey, especially that led up to the 2024 Athens, Greece competition. We have gained everything from being the first and only country in Africa to register robotics as a sport, to getting national colors from our country and actually competing quite well, getting the student spirits up for the competition, all thanks to the help and sponsors that we've received from SALT and WCE. So without them, it would not have been as easy as it was. And we, from Genius Robotics, all thank and hope that we've done them proud, yes.
So oftentimes we get asked, how does our initiative impact not only the youth but our country? And I would say a few of our past projects has been a testament of the impact. For example, we had the opportunity to hand out 40 kits to girls in Groot. These 40 kits were custom made to them, designed by us, manufactured by us as well. And then these 40 kits included a course that we did for 3 days in Groot, where we taught 40 girls about technology and engineering. And one of the impacts that these girls mentioned was it greatly improved their grades. They were highly motivated to continue studying. One of the major things in areas like that is you can see that there's no real motivation to go further. And even if we didn't impact 40, I think it just takes one girl in Groot to make a difference. And the testament that we got from a few of those girls are they want to be that one to make a difference. Other projects that we ventured into is, we call it Pico Mini. It's a project that we're yet to release, so I won't shed too much light on it yet until it's released. The first global challenge has also been an amazing venture for not only myself but students. These students get an opportunity to travel internationally. Most of them don't even want to come back. They end up leaving the country and studying something crazy somewhere else.
Part of the main focus that we do at Genius Robotics is that we try to encourage as much STEM involvement for high school students, right? So what we mainly do is we deal and work with high school students and teach them how to build and program robots, and then we take them with their robots to international challenges. As Dennis said, this year we were at Greece, Athens for a Robotics International Challenge, and the kids absolutely loved it. Apart from the aspect of stressing and working hard and focusing on the bots and programming and all of that, they got to experience new culture. They got to make international friends. And that, we believe, made a major impact on their personal growth. And that's what we don't want to limit here. And so we have a website. It's called geniusrobotics.edu. And we encourage as many high school students to get up there, search it up, scroll through, see what we've done, see what we're going to do, any future projects that we had. As Dennis said, we have a little project that we're working on silently called Pico Mini. Keep an eye out for that. And if you're interested, you don't need to have a major history or major interest in STEM or engineering or technology, programming or robots and stuff like that. The whole point is that we entice this interest in you, in students, and we encourage them to start this journey, And so if you have a remote interest, or if you've ever looked at a robot and wondered why or how it worked the way it did, go ahead and contact us. Don't be shy. You can go ahead and visit our garage, our workshop, and then you can see around, ask one of our past students, and yeah, go for it. I definitely do believe that it is something that every high school student should have the ability to try at least once.